Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to use this fun little tool called a flower loom. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes and are perfect for turning thread and ribbon into an adorable little flower that you can use to decorate almost anything. So here's what you will need. This flower loom is made by Clover and comes with two shapes, circular and square. These will make little flowers. However, you can also find larger looms that will create larger shapes. You can use pretty much any thick embroidery thread, yarn, or ribbon you want. I'll be demonstrating using these two threads, a number 3 pearl cotton called Eleganza, and a number 8 rayon and metallic thread called Dazzle. You'll be able to see the effects created by different materials. The last thing you'll need is a tapestry needle with an eye large enough to fit your thread or ribbon. This tapestry needle was included with the loom kit. To begin, check your loom for a notch or piece that will hold your thread in place while you weave. This is where you'll start. Tuck a tail of thread into the notch. Take the other end of the thread that's attached to the spool, pull your thread across the loom and loop it around the peg in a counterclockwise rotation. Now we're going to take it back across the center of the loom to the peg directly across from it and wrap the thread around it in a clockwise rotation. Now we're going back across the loom to the peg on the right of the first one, coming up on the left side of that peg. Go down to the next peg on the left of the last one, coming up on the right side of the peg. Continue going left of the top peg and right of the bottom peg. You will want to do a minimum of 3 loops around the loom so your flower has some mass. However, you can do more to make it even thicker. Using an 8-weight thread like Dazzle, I like how it looks after 4 loops. Once you've come back around to the notch where you started, thread the end into a tapestry needle and pull it through the middle of the loom to the back side of your flower. Now take the end that was in the notch, thread it into the tapestry needle, but this time pull it across all your stitches and through the middle of your loom to the back. Tie these two tails together 2 or 3 times to make a secure knot and trim it. Now we're going to choose a contrasting color for the center of the flower and thread it onto the tapestry needle. Start from the back side of the loom and pull it up between 2 of the pegs, making sure to leave a tail that you don't pull all the way through. Bring your needle back down in the space directly across in the flower. Now we're going to start on the other side and do the same, making an X shape in the flower. We're going to fill in the remaining empty gaps in the same way to secure all the petals together and create the center of the flower. Once you've finished weaving all the gaps together, we're going to flip the loom upside down and tie off the ends securely and trim. Now that your flower is finished, all you need to do is gently slide the flower off the loom. Now I'm going to quickly demonstrate the same method on the square-shaped loom. This time I'm using a 3-weight pearl cotton thread called Eleganza. And this time I'm going to make 6 loops around the loom because I want a thicker piece. Once I've completed all my little squares, I'm going to join them together to make a little coaster. To do this, I've chosen the 100 weight cottonized polyester WonderFil. If I choose a color that coordinates with my eleganza, my stitching will disappear. There are all sorts of things you can make or decorate using these fun little flowers. It's only limited by your creativity. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and tune in for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.